About what?
If they're gonna grandma be using that tag lead.
I've been rolling. Damn, Tyson's really in the game right now.
You got 5 seconds. Good luck down there.
I need to find a black character. What was that dude with the boonie hat?
Battle Royale.
And the other Modern
Stay
Warfare?
alive to keep your squad in the fight.
I remember his name.
There's a
I
drop
don't
point for your
remember
squad,
his name
soldier.
actually.
You know what I'm talking about though?
I think so,
Bryce?
yeah.
I remember, yeah, I don't know what his name was.
Stand the fight.
Why are we going there? Ew.
Oh.
We've never been here.
There's too many levels.
Hostiles dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
Damn, with the shotgun?
I'm over here by myself.
Your squad mates back on station. Good
On your
work.
feet, soldier!
I don't want to do this no more.
Oh, did you just hear?
No, what do you say?
Yelling at his boys. You're screaming at him. Mad with his friends. I'm gonna throw up.
422nd British World Cup.
Enemy here.
Oh, fuck. There's two of them.
There's one with the fucking right.
Right now.
Yep.
I fucking flew right into that.
How did it get me? Bro, how did that get me?
Those things are like
Say that, Colby.
stupid accurate.
Building over here.
Sniper! Moving here!
Are you shitting me?
Moving.
Oh my god.
Hostile UAV active.
Why
you bullying me?
Your dog tag.
Two people on me.
Matt, come over here.
Right!
Squad mates is redeploying. Well done. Revenge kills bring back your squad mates faster. Good work.
Hostile UAV overhead.
Like that.
Hello there. This guy's so broken.
Hostile counter UAV is active.
Dude, fuck this one.
Dropped them.
You have reinforced.
Shit, too.
Enemy here!
I got
I didn't know where the fucking.
Need pistol rounds!
You have reinforcements inbound.
Oh my god, thank you.
Sorry, hold it. I didn't know if you read that.
No, no, no.
Bosnia, hostile deploying counter UAV.
No mames, no, César.
Need pistol
What?
rounds!
I got you. Hostile counter UAV overhead. Hostile
Bro,
UAV
Matt was holding his
intercepted.
fucking
Need a
stem on
fucking
the
gun. Nice, nice, nice.
Keep down.
Counter UAV is returning to base. Be advised, UAV is exiting the AO.
Off that.
It's fucking survive. Colby, do you have any plates or anything?
There, behind. Dang.
There's a plate. Oh, I don't have it. Oh, it's gone. Oh, I do have
down
a
here.
plate.
Boys, I only have 26 bullets left.
All these right here. To the
Yep,
right.
yep.
Taking fire.
Oh my god. fine, Anthony. Just go.
Only 5 left.
Drop them. You're shooting friendlies.
You're losing
Colby,
ground.
somebody.
Head to the
Matt.
safe zone now.
I'm going into the smoke with my gas mask. I'm gonna go around and behind. Got him. Oh, he's a.
Okay, where
Gas
is
is
that?
moving.
Oh, he's floating.
Advise
He's
you move
floating.
to the
He's
safe
floating. He's
zone now.
floating.
Why are we still here? Just to suffer. Every night, I can feel my leg.
That's how you do it.
That's how we get big dubs, boys. That's what we're for.
Damn, Matt and I had 17. He's 44. That's more than we had last time. The boys is feeling sweaty today.
We feeling some type of way out there.
To the likes of you two, god damn.
How are your armpits, Matt?
I'm a little drippy.
Looting.
Bags, yes,
Oh
sir.
fuck! Oh fuck! Oh fuck!
Artistic overkill. Brought a cruise missile to a gunfight.
Damn, that's Mike Tyson.
I wish people would talk shit. What's up, fucking pussy ass bitches?